Hey, I just wanted to show you guys a quick trick that I do when my bottles, like anything that's in a tube like this, runs out. You can do it with toothpaste, the deep blue rub, lotion. We do it with the Healthy Hold Glaze, the conditioner, any of the little lotions like the HD Clear. I've done it with those. Basically any product that comes in a tube, even when it gets to a point where it doesn't want to come out anymore and starts making that noise and you can barely get any out, you can still get much more out if you cut it. So that's what I have been doing recently. So this is a tube of lotion that's gotten to that point where it's annoying, and I'm just going to cut it so that I can get more out. And so all I do is I typically start somewhere towards the top because that way I can work down. I'll squeeze a little bit of the excess air out. That way it's easier to cut that way. And then I just take a pair of scissors and I just start hacking away. And then if you look inside here, there's both lotion up here that you can use, and there's tons and tons down there at the bottom that you can use. So you think you're out, or you think the tube's empty. You don't want to throw away all that goodness that you paid your valuable pennies that you've worked for. So if you cut it off, you can use what's in here, and then as I use what's around the edge here, instead of trying to stick my hand all the way down the tube, after I use what's on the next rim, I'll just take a snip like here, and I will go down even further. Now when you are, so now you have even more access to like this area here. Then you can just keep working all the way down until you completely use up the tube, and then you can throw it away or recycle the plastic, whatever you want to do. But there's so much down in there that you can still get out by doing this. And then after you use your lotion for the day, say you get out what you need, you put your lotion on, or get your toothpaste or whatever you need, you can pinch this back together, and this will still actually fit over the top of the bottle. And so a lot of people worry about it getting dried out, but I really haven't had any problem with that. There is a little gapping that will happen, but you can either put it in a Ziploc baggie or some sort of airtight container so that it won't. But I've never really had a problem. I've done it with lots of different products, and I've not had any of them really get dried out, as long as you're using it pretty quickly after you cut it off. So I always wait to cut it until I really can't get any more out. Marinella is just so excited about this. So the other thing you can't do if it doesn't fit, which I've never really had much of an issue with it, but if it doesn't fit this way, you can actually trim like little slits on this. So here's your side of your bottle. You can put a little slit here like this with the scissors, and on the other side. And so then the tube will actually go like this. So you can make it a little smaller so it'll fit in the opening. So you just slide it in, and it will keep your stuff nice, and it makes your bottle much tinier. So you'll see certain times that I have like 3 or 4 different products that are all at a point where they're like this, and I just got done using all of them up, and now I've got another bottle of lotion. So we just did it with our toothpaste last week. I finished up, and then the deep blue rub I just finished up today. So now I get to go back to my big mama bottle, or one of my new freebies. So let me know if you've got any questions, or if you've got any tips and tricks how to do it, or if you found anything that works. Let me know, drop a comment. Otherwise, tell me what your favorite products are to snip off and to save at the end. And I will see you guys another day.